Hello, Negi soldiers! I hope you people are doing well. My friends, so many of you are asking me, sir, when to start writing the full-length test. My friends, if you are passed out, dropper or repeater, and you are giving the GATE exam once again in 2022, then you should start writing the GATE mock test, full-length test from today onwards. However, if you are college-going student, want to give serious, sincere attempt for GATE 2022, then it depends on how many subjects are remaining for you. If there is no subject left, start from today onwards. If 2 subjects are left, then start from 1st of January 2022. And if 4 subjects are left, then you can start from 11th of January 2022. And my friends, one good news is Unacademy is bringing AIMT for you, All India mock test for you, where you will be having 5 mock tests. And it will be on every Sunday of January 2022. You can enroll. I will be giving you the link in the description box. And invite code is Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10. Jarur se likhna, because each and every test, mock test is going to be extraordinary. I have personally made this test series, so I know about the quality of this test series. Okay, Jarur likhna. I hope you will enjoy and you give me the feedback also, okay, after writing the test. Thank you so much. Love you all. Take care.